Hello, welcome to the Insight Labs Looker Studio tutorials. I'm Errol, and in this video we will talk about sliders in Looker Studio. Again, let's start with the why and what questions first, and then we can dive into the examples. Sliders dynamically adjust values to filter data in your datasets. You can set upper and lower limits on metrics like revenue, total sales, downloads, all these things. Why are they important? Because they help you to extract insights faster. You can adjust sliders to see different value, all in while not changing the reporting structure at all. So you can explore it faster, and you can quickly analyze different performances level by setting different thresholds. Not all visuals have these sliders, but some do, and I want to show a few of them to you. First, here's a table. This table shows, game sales by the title and total sales. Grand Theft Auto, 64 million sales. Here, you can come over here and then click this slider. Oh, but before doing that, I want to show you how to set them up. This is a regular table, right? Nothing fancy. You select this table, and then there's this metric slider function, toggle. You need to turn it on. Once you turn it on, you will use these selected metrics as a slider options. Once I click on it, I will see total sales by 0 to 64 millions. Let's say that I want to see the games that sold 1 million to 1.1 million, all right? So there are 162 of them. So these are the sales numbers. Let's go back. Here, we do see a tree map. Again, it's by console and total sales. So I can see how many sales happened by console. For example, PlayStation 2 had 1 million sales, Xbox 360 close to a million, etc. I can click on them and filter the rest of the game data. For example, for PlayStation 2, these are the games that have sold. 16 million of Grand Theft Auto Vice City, another 30 million for Grand Theft Auto 3. Again, I can come here and click on this metric slider. I can turn it on, and then I can change my selections. Below, we have a bubble chart. In this bubble chart, we do see total sales of different publishers on x-axis, and we do see critic scores on average on y-axis, and then the bubble size is average sales. For example, this game studio Rockstar has one of the highest average sales by 2.5 million, whereas here we have Activision, not as many average sales as Rockstar Games do, but they had the highest total sales. Again, I can click on this. Let me turn this thing on. Cross filtering. I love cross filtering. It helps us a lot. For example, let's click on this Rockstar Games and see how many games that we have sold in Grand Theft Auto 5, 4, 2, Red Dead Redemption, Vice City, all these things. So how many games that we sold with Rockstar Games in, let's say, Xbox One? This many. All right. Again, these are the sliders. Let's go back. And here there are too many dots, and it can confuse us. Thus, using a metric slider can be helpful. Let me turn it on. And then we can say that, let's say that the critic scores should be at least 8 points. And average sales should be at least 1 million. And total sales, let's say, should be at least 250,000. Let's reduce it so that we can see that these are the publishers with these selected metrics. Red Octane, Guitar Hero. Nope, it's fancy. Other than that, I've added a couple examples for other data sources. So this is GA4. It's regions and views. We can add metric sliders and change the view count to show, this many views at least. We can say such things. Or table, it's just exact same thing that happened before. Or we can add them into time series and bar charts, etc. I think that stated the case. Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. And if you like this video, please like it. If you want to learn more about Looker Studio, Google Analytics, Tag Manager, consider subscribing to my channel. And see you in the next video.